As they approach the sacred grove, they see a great many gathered outside the stand of trees waiting to enter. Peeking inside the grove, one can see the fire in the center and the benches surrounding it, just as it had been all those long winters ago at the council meeting that sent a delegation to Earth. As Galerin, an imposing figure with long, light blonde hair and gold eyes with silver rings, approaches, the talking ceases. He stops before the assembled elves and speaks. "It is rare for those outside the council to attend one of our meetings. It is important all attending tonight remember the sacredness involved. First, the clan leaders and their seconds will enter. Once they have made their offerings and are seated, the rest may enter quietly and stand behind your clan's seat. Let us get started." Elwyndyn and Elwyndyn follow Garelin and his second, Rellerin, into the sacred grove, as does Arlandyn, and the rest of the clan leaders and seconds. Elwyndyn removes the pouch of herbs from his belt. Elwyndyn takes some of the herbs and both kneel before the fire. Tossing the herbs into the flames, they rise and sit on the Moon Clan's bench. The other clan leaders and seconds follow suit. Once all are seated, the rest of the elves attending enter the grove and move to stand behind their leaders. Galerin stands before the council and greets everyone. "May you live long in the light." The council replies, "May you live long in the light." Galerin continues, "As we all know, when we made the decision to go to Earth all those winters ago, we tried to consider every possible scenario that might arise from us doing so. Unfortunately, we overlooked one very important consequence, and as a result, there are some humans who may be having flashes of memory pertaining to an elven life. It has taken us many moons to determine the cause. Lord Arlandyn, would you please share with us what you have discovered?" Besides being the clan leader of the Earth Clan, Arlandyn also passed on elven knowledge and teachings to our young elflings and fledglings. He stands before the council and speaks. "When the problem arose, I vaguely remembered something written about a similar occurrence in the past. I have spent the last several moons going through the scrolls in the archives. What was written tells of an elf who traveled to other realms through the secret passageways. While traveling, the elf died in another realm. As a result, his soul became tied to the realm in which he died. It happens so rarely that elves leave our realm. This fact faded from our memories and was not considered when we made the decision to go to Earth." Arlandyn pauses, then continues. "When we sent the delegation to Earth, many of Elfkin were killed during the wars. Their bodies died on Earth, and as a result their souls became tied to Earth. They have since been reincarnating as humans. I believe it could very well be flashes of memory from their past elven life intruding into their present human life." Elwyndyn and his brother look at each other. Elwyndyn knows they are both thinking about Thosaril and Valiel. Sinduin, second of the Sun Clan, is first to speak after Arlandyn finishes. "Do you really think they are memory flashes? Humans are not evolved as elves and other species. I seriously doubt they are memory flashes. But if they are, how do we determine if these are past life memories or just a human with a very vivid imagination? If they are past life memories, we should just erase the elven memories from their minds and be done with it." "We must do something," adds Trilondon of the Sea Elves. "We cannot have humans finding out we truly exist. We have continued watching them since our return. Through the ages, their lack of tolerance for anything different from themselves has caused killings, even war. Remember what they did to the dragonkind? They would do the same to us given the chance." With that final statement, the entire grove erupts into a plethora of raised voices, as those attending who are not on the council try to have their say.